The rotation on this thing. Oh, spin lightning too. Oh, that's ominous because the wind just shifted that way. Oh, I don't know if I got that or not. Look at this thing rotate. You got updraft right there. See updraft? My Lord, this thing can drop a tornado anytime. Wow. It's been a long time since I've seen rising motion this strong in a storm. It is trying to put one down right here. You gotta watch that mess right there too. Come on, guys, you need to sound sirens, man. Oh, I think it's spinning some lightning. I done some storm chasing. There's the sirens right there here. They got the sirens going. You can barely hear them in the background. This is what they call a cyclical supercell, where it keeps recycling the wall cloud. This thing is just classic. Starting to pull some rain into it now. It may get rain wrapped.
May get what?
May get rain wrapped.